I'm rather excited. Today at the Uli Archive, I'm officially unveiling a new shelf.
Excited about a new shelf?
This is a silly shelf, full of the stories of all the funniest things that ever happened in Gizmo. But first, I'm off to buy a gift for Uli Gilhooly to say thanks for helping to organize everything. I'm getting them their favorite, a box of Giz Nana chip cookies from the Bake Uli cart.
That'll be a lovely surprise.
Why don't you join me?
That sounds great.
Hooray!
Glumph, we're gonna get Mayor Garth to spend his Gizbit with us by baking special cookies full of his favorite ingredients so that he simply can't resist it.
But we don't know what Mayor Garth's favorite things are.
Oh, we will. See, we're gonna find out everything he likes.
All this cookie talk is making me peckish. Oh, my favorite healthy snacks.
No, thank you.
Sprinkle seeds, eh? Mayor Garth just dropped some sprinkle seeds. Don't worry, I'll tidy up.
A troll tidying does not compute.
Even trolls deserve a chance to be helpful.
First ingredient for our irresistible Garth cookie is sprinkle seeds.
They're way too healthy.
Hello.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Lipom.
Help yourselves to a sample of freshly made strawberry-flavored ice cream.
No, thank you.
Oh, yes, please. Strawberry is my absolutely favorite.
Aha! Strawberry! Oh, sorry.
What are you trolls up to?
Baking nothing!
Okay. Look, ice cream.
That's odd. Why did he say baking?
Trolls baking does not compute.
I just found out that Mayor Garth loves strawberry ice cream!
Strawberry? What is with that guy?
Yuck.
Hi, everyone. Would you like to try a delicious berry?
No, thank you, Uli Bean.
Ooh, you've got my favorite.
We're on our way to pick up a special cookie from the Bake Uli cart.
It's to thank Uli Gilhooly for helping with the silly shelf. No! Oh, Glumph, what's your nose doing in a bowl of bumbleberries?
I just love the smell of bumbleberries in the morning. Achoo! Didn't you know I'm a nature lover?
A nature-loving troll does not compute.
Trolls have been popping up everywhere we've been. I wonder why.
Tidying up, enjoying baking, and loving nature. Perhaps those trolls are becoming better citizens.
Final favorite ingredient, bumbleberries!
What?
Now to bake cookies that Mayor Garth simply can't resist.
And he'll pay us with his Gizbit.
Just one thing. You do know how to make cookies, right?
Bake them until they're rock hard.
Yeah, sounds about right. The Bake Uli cart. Now to buy Uli Gilhooly's favorite cookies. Get your sprinkle seed, strawberry ice cream, bumbleberry flavored cookies right here. Ooh, that sounds delicious.
That's because they're 3 of your favorite things, all baked in.
Like they're specially made for you.
That's gonna cost you 1 Gizbit.
But Mayor Garth, aren't you here to buy special cookies from the Bake Uli cart?
Well, yes, but these cookies have all my favorite things. I'm sure Uli Gilhooly will like them.
Don't you think it's odd how the trolls know what all your favorite things are?
Thanks for your concern, but I simply must have it. Priceless. Great doing business with you. Bye. Ow! They're rock hard. Oh, what have I done?
Looks like Mayor Garth is annoyed with his choice of cookies.